All right, good day, friends. It's time. We would want to comment from where we stopped. We'll continue from where we stopped yesterday. We considered two questions yesterday, and we want to see how many we'll do today as God helps us. Now, the first we'll be considering today is we have this diagram, and that's the number 3, the third question. The diagram of this sort. You have a tangent, you have a straight line meeting the tangent at the point it touches the circle. You have another one this way. Now, the points are, you have R, S, T, U, V. Now, these angles, what you'll be looking for. This is 100 degrees. Now, for those that followed from the WhatsApp group, the question is on the platform already. But then, for those who will be joining from from all over the world, the question says, in the diagram, TU is a tangent to the circle. You have SU. You have 36 degrees as the angle at point R, and you have 100 degrees the angle at point V in the circle. So we're looking out for what you calculate the angle STU. That's this angle over here. And so what you want to do is observe and recall the theorems. Now, one of the theorems states that the angle between the chord and the tangent is the same as the angle in the alternate segment, as in the other segment. If you want to work with that theorem, and in fact, that gives us the answer fast. So in other words, what we're trying to say is the angle between this chord and this part of the tangent, that's this angle, is equals the angle in the alternate segment. This is the angle in the alternate segment. A segment is formed when you have a chord. This is a chord. We have a number of chords here. This is a chord, a chord, a chord, a chord, and this. And so we're talking about this particular chord. And the angle in this segment formed by this chord is 100. That's this other segment. All right, so it means RUT is 100, and you are out to find STU. So we to calculate angle STU. You want to put the mark above the letter in between, or you want to just put it this way. So I would leave it like this. Now on this note, you have your 100 as angle RUT. Now observe the shape there. You have a triangle, and so it means angle RUT plus angle URS plus angle STU is 180 degrees. And what's the reason? Is sum of angles in a triangle. We'll have to write the reason, and let's see, sum of angles in a triangle. This is short form for sum of angles in a triangle. Short form for angles and triangle. So we have 100 here. For URS, it's given as 36. And your STU equals 180 degrees. And so when you sum this up, you have 136 degrees. And that means your STU is 180 degrees minus 136 degrees, giving you 44 degrees. All right, we'll move on to the next question. That's the B parts. And for the B parts, I'll be drawing the diagram, and afterwards we'll explain it from the statement of the question. So that's a B, 3B. So like I said, for those that will be joining us afterwards, if you're interested in knowing the question we're solving, you can just link up with us on WhatsApp. Join us on WhatsApp. The number is in my bio, and you get to see the questions. Or you could send me a message and I'll send you the question. And here's a shape